So what I've done is I've made a little base here. You're not going to see underneath, just by covering a piece of an inch square tile, wood chip tile. Well, it's not wood chip, it's chipboard. Twisting all the wires round of the flowers, popping them into a big bead. You've got to have them in a big bead, you know, or something like that. But I think that looks nice because it had a pattern on the bead. And then you trim off the end, pull them back out, pop the glue into the bead and push them back in, and it will support them. And then glue the end and pop it onto the little thing that you've made. Now I know you can see the glue underneath, but that doesn't matter because it looks like the base of the vase. Okay, so that's that done. Now, like I say, we're going to be making these, and they are just quick, simple, and they don't have to be perfect at all. What you do need though is a couple of straight lines, which I don't have. So it's just a piece of material, as long as you've got it a little bit wider than that. And mine measures, which I can tell you, it measures 7.5 centimetres or 3 inches. So as long as you can have that size, because that looks a decent size bale for the size I've done. And just straighten the edges off. I mean, obviously if you can cut them, I just cut chunks of material off and then I tied it up later. So and then what you're going to do, oh, I'm not going to do that just yet, sorry, we'll do it this way. What you're going to do is you fold that in like that, okay? So I know where I'm going to need a little bit of glue. That's there. Oops, that wasn't straight, was it? Never mind, start again. Fold that in like that. You need it near enough. Okay, just pull that taut like that. You only need to tuck in, doesn't matter about these ends at the moment. Turn it around, and remember, I don't want the bale any right, so I've got plenty to tuck in. So I can pull that in back to there. Pop your glue underneath, and they do not have to be perfect width at all. And what you do is you pop a bit of glue on your board, and you pop that, centerise it best you can onto there. You might find a different way of doing it, fine. I'm just showing the beginners and that the easiest and basic way to do it. Pop your glue on there. Now obviously you've got this here, so you just pop a bit more glue there and put that over, and that seals that down. And then all you're going to do is just roll that like that, and then the last bit here, glue that down first so it keeps it taut, and then just glue that, keep it as straight as possible onto there, and you've got your little bale. And if it's not quite what you like, chop that off to match. These don't have to be perfect, but when they're stacked they look cute, really cute. So I'm going to go back and finish off those, and I'll be back soon. Right, what I'm doing is I'm continuing with these bales, and I've done quite a few already. So just turn the material over. This is an easy way to do it. You do have to be careful. Put a strip of glue along there, lift this one up and pull it over like that, and that'll get you what you need. Chop off the end just so it's straight. Take your card, pop that on there so you can centerise it. Bit of glue there, flip that over, and then just roll, and you end up with a nice, I mean obviously that's sorry, I'm just going to cut that off because it's annoying me. Not quite square, take it in a bit. Oops a daisy. Just pop it on there and then roll like that. It doesn't have to be perfect whatsoever. You just need it to look. I'm just going to turn the corner in like that. Turn that corner in like that. Fold that over, and as I fold it over, stick a bit of glue there. And push that in like that. The reason why I've done that is because you can cut that off. Oh, my scissors are rubbish, like everything I've got at the moment. And then just glue that down like that, and you've got another bale. And then all I do is trim them off to the size I want, because they don't all have to be the same size. They're not. In real life, get different size ones. Again, I'm just going to show you. Like I said, pull that over. Oops. Like that. Pull that one over there. Press it down. Take your card. Pop a bit of glue on there. Centralise that. Pull that over. You can still glue that bit down as well. It doesn't matter. And then just roll it over like that. Put a little double glue there. Push that in. Oops, it doesn't want to stick. Pull that one over and that. A bit of glue on there. Fold that one over. And you can just do that. You're just basically putting like a pleat thing in it. We can